My aim in life. Everyone has some aim in life. It is very important in life. A life without an aim is like a boat without a rider, but choosing a career in such a cutthroat age of competition is really a difficult task. Different people have different aims in their life according to their tastes and temperaments. Some people want to become technocrats like doctors, engineers, scientists, whereas many want to become bureaucrats like IAS, IPS and DIF. Some dream to become anchors and politicians, while for some becoming an educationist holds great attention. A few want to pursue as social activist, and there are many people who have a craze to become poets, novelists and writers. To say different people different dreams. I am not a highly ambitious fellow, rather I am modest by nature and don't have any desire for materialistic things. The profession of teaching has always been very appealing and sacred to me. This has been my childhood dream. The sole aim of my life is to serve the society, to become a good citizen. To me, teaching appears to be the best way to serve the society. Since I belong to the middle class of the society, so I have faced several difficulties in my life. The difficulties encountered during my childhood made me realize that lack of education is the biggest problem to which I shall devote my life. I will try to spread literacy to every nook and corner of the society. It is a fact that 1/4 of our population still don't know how to read and write even after 75 years of independence. The picture is all the more obscure in terms of women education. We cannot make all-around progress unless we are educated. I would be particularly sensitive to the weaker sections of my society, to the needs of the weaker sections of my society. I would work really hard to bring change in their lives. When this section of society is educated, we will have a totally different society. There will be no superstitions when they will be educated. I am fully aware that I will have to face a lot of hardships, as a teacher cannot command and expect the reward and respect he or she deserves. The profession is looked down upon as of a lowly status. I will help them in expanding the horizon and broadening their outlook and perspectives. I will try to inculcate in them good moral values so that Pakistan can have progress and prosperity. A teacher might not get privileges, fame, power and pelf that his students get, but a teacher is the spark that rekindles the imagination in his students and direct and steer them in the right direction so that they can reflect on what is the best career for them ahead. In short, I think that a teacher might not get everything in life, but he becomes the ladder for others so that others can achieve their dreams.